This is the swing arm, gooseneck arm, whatever they call it. This is the side pouch I made from a fanny pack, melted a hole from both sides. And it's going to be attached one of those holes right there. That's it, attached right there. The other side's attached right up there. I'll leave an item list in the description if you want to make one of your own, or if there's some information that I'm not aware of why this is a bad idea. I'd like for somebody to comment on that. But everything looks pretty safe. But yeah, if you see a problem with it, definitely comment below.